Okay, so here's an update on Moxie's puppies. Just so you can see a little video of how cute these little things are. These puppies are a week and a few days old, and they are just gorgeous. So what's really cute is you see these two boys here. See the dots on their head? Moxie's really put her mark on these guys. So when Moxie was a puppy, she had this exact same dot on her head. And it's funny that two of her puppies have the same marking. So both of these are males. There's a little black tri-male and a red tri-male. Everybody's males except for this blue merle is a female, and I believe it's this little one down here. Hi, honey. This one down here, this is a little female too, but everybody else is boys. We got a lot of boys this time around. But their eyes are still closed and they still cannot hear yet. They're just still little itty bitty babies, so, but they're doing really well. I weigh them every day, take mom's temperature every day, especially just the first week after whelping. We want to make sure that she's doing well, and one of the easiest ways is to just take a daily temperature and make sure that she's not getting sick. Sometimes that can happen after whelping if they retain a placenta or something of that matter. But everybody's looking good, and the puppies, by taking their weight every day, that helps me know that the puppies are healthy too. Any puppy that isn't gaining weight will definitely catch my attention very quickly and kind of give me a heads up that something might be going on. But luckily so far, everybody has been good and gaining, and everybody's looking really great. But aren't they just gorgeous? Aren't they just gorgeous?